Wetin I never see for this club. If you no be Casemiro, come out for here.
Coach, good morning, sir. You say make I come see you before I travel go international break.
Casemiro, me and you get problem for this club?
No, sir. Now because of our last match.
Shut up. Now me go ask you question. The next time when you talk without my approval, you no go fit waka go anywhere. How old you there?
32, sir.
I no mean the one where them write for Google. Tell me your real age.
Coachy, 32 na my real age.
When them born you?
February 23, 1982, sir.
Now 42 be that now.
What? Hey!
I mean 1992.
Shut up your mouth. I talk am say you don't reach to retire.
No, Coachy na mistake oh. Them born me 1992.
I no believe you. After waiting you play against Liverpool. All those people where they talk say you suppose don't retire. It's like them not waiting them they talk.
Coachy na lie oh. Most of those people never touch ball for their life before.
Why you can't they play like old man? Abi you the para say we buy Ugarte?
Coachy, wetin I play yesterday no be my standard normally.
Now why I talk say you don't old now? You suppose retire.
Coachy, I mature. I no old. The thing when I no get for physicality, I get them for experience.
So now the experience where you get, now it make you do two handsome giveaways.
Coachy, never reach to comot that thing now. Make we talk as mature people. I don't too old for this kind thing. I get too pikin for.
I know say you don't get pikin. You too old to dey play rubbish. Now small thing remain make them sack me last season. This season don't start. Now only 3 points I get. Mumo Chelsea they ahead of us. You want make them sack me?
But Coachy, na you dey play me now.
You still dey talk? I know get choice. Idiot. You no see say them say McTominay. Abi you want make I put Eriksen wey get had something inside this intense fixture? With all your experience, you don't accelerate my sack letter. Idiot.
As una dey aware say dem dey play AFCON, if you feel say you sabi the rhythm of African football, you fit flex your muscle take win better super prizes for inside the 1xBet offer wey dem dey call Hot Streak. Register for 1xBet with our promo code GNEXT. Dem go give you 300% bonus for your first deposit. Go for the Hot Streak promo page, press take part, then bet on top any AFCON game with at least 1,400 naira. You go fire up Hot Streak to take get more tickets. Na im go come fit use win better prizes for inside 1xBet. Read their terms and conditions first, sha, and use your sense take the bet. Good luck.
I hear say two of na no dey gree for each other.
Coachy na him oh.
Coachy na lie. Na him.
I go bust this your head oh.
Bust my head now. If them born you well.
Wetin you talk?
I go break person head for here oh. It's like two of na no get respect. Una wan fight for my front?
Coachy na him start all this nonsense.
Coachy, this boy no get
I say
respect.
shut up! Baka dey use 4 points pass us. Una dey here dey para for una selves. Make I no para for una oh. If I hear pararam for una head again, una go wish say una no dey Madrid. Oya two of una, comot for here!
I wish say you no dey this club.
I wish say you no dey this club.
Oga Mourinho, Oga Lampard and Oga Sarri, una welcome.
Kubala.
Thank you, Kubala.
My boy. Oga Lampard, I been hear say you get one job offer from Burnley as sack company. Wetin happen now?
No mind those people. Them not that serious.
The other day, I hear say na one Saudi club wan hire you.
Even those people too. Them not serious.
Oga, them no want you, Joe. Which one be say them no serious? If na me sef, I no go hire you.
Why you dey like this?
I know they like people where they give excuse up and down. You know sabi coach, no be secret.
I swear, you no get sense. You don't get job now. You no go mind your business. Now only me no get job.
No look me oh, na me wey no wan find job. I dey sabbatical. But you suppose get at least small job. Even if na to develop Chelsea dressing room, or even follow for construction workers wey go build new dressing room for Chelsea. Because that their current one too small for them now.
My brother, tell am oh.
Shall una plan this thing? Thunder fire two of una.
See person wey ask about their career here. As season don start now, some teams don continue from where them stop last season, like Man City and Man United. Meanwhile for La Liga, Barca don dey upset people bet.
Shebi I tell all of una, say na Barca go carry that league.
If to say La Liga na only 4 matches, Barca for don carry am na. Unfortunately, dem still get 34 more matches.
But that their last game wey dem generously donate 7 goals give Valladolid. Na serious statement be that o.
They no even consider one.
Nothing wey you go tell me. Barca no go carry even second. Na Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, then Barca fit manage 3rd or 4th.
You blind.
Oga sorry, this one wey you just close mouth.
It's like Barca da vex. Their first tele games na 2-1. All of a sudden, person chop 7 goals without reply.
It's like dem dey vex say people like Oga Mourinho dey underestimate them.
If dem like make dem vex for their papa, na Madrid get La Liga.
Yeah. If them like me, Weary.
No be so I dey talk.
Meanwhile for EPL, Man United dey do point giveaway.
Bet me, before mid-season, Ten Hag no go get job.
No be lie.
Some people talk say dem rob Arsenal.
I suppose collect red card, Joe.
If na you that coach Arsenal, you go like am.
He no consign me.
Chelsea draw 1-1 after dem raise Chelsea fans hope with their 6-2 Wolves thrashing.
Over expectation wan kill dem. But last, Chelsea fans no go suffer reach Man U fans this season.
Casemiro lele outplay everybody, including his own coach. Na him supposed be man of the match.
I swear, na why dem comot am na? My guy dey dictate the game for Liverpool. He was too good. Without am, Liverpool no for win.